everyone, it's my opinion the region in Vietnam that's almost vulnerable to stronger storm at the center and northern quarter provinces such as Quảng Nam, Thừa Thiên Huế, and Thanh Hóa. They are already face heavy rainfall, flood, and landslide as much as we to repair local government should upgrade seed dye, improve transplant system, and build stronger house and education shelter. Local communities can also play an important role. They can spread uh, awareness about strong burning, organize community drill, and support each other during education and uh, recovery. When people know what to do before a storm comes, uh, the dismay can be reduced a lot. As individuals, we can take small but meaningful action like saving electricity and water, planting more trees, and avoiding plastic waste to protect the environment. We can also keep emergency kits ready, have lean training system, and volunteer to help neighbor after a storm. However, forecasting and media, mitigate, mi- mitigating typhoon in Vietnam still have many challenges. Our technology and in pri- and in climate impeachment are not always advanced enough to predict storm accurately. Also, mountainous terrain, terrain and fast trains need weather pattern make uh, foreign more because blind trains it makes strong more predictable and instant, so we need better uh, co- coordination between scientists, the government, and communities. In short, fighting stronger storm requires teamwork from the government, local people, and its invaluable to build a safe and more uh, resilient Vietnam. Thanks for listening.